Do you think a basic calculator is enough? Well, we use calculator for adding, subtracting, multiplying, or even dividing. But did you know that it is also possible for a calculator to show everything like graphs, shapes, or symbols? But first things first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Rochelle Hiyangan, a grade 12 STEM student of the Laak National High School. So today, I will show you on how to solve and graph a function easily. By using a TI-84 Plus graphing calculator, you can solve math problems easy and fast. So this calculator will show us of what's the graph of a function looks like. So it is very useful and very helpful, especially to those engineering students that have a calculus and trigonometry subjects. So in this video presentation, I am going to show you how to use TI-84 Plus graphing calculator in finding the zeros of function. So we have an example here. Find the zeros of a function. F of x is equals to 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 12x. So zeros are places where those functions will cross the x-axis. For now, let's prepare first our calculator so that I will assure you that you will appreciate its features and its functions.
Here are the procedures that we must follow in order to solve the function. So the first thing that we should do is to press the y equals button in order to input the given equation. So our function is equals to 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 5x raised to the power of 2 minus 12x. And let's press the graph. As you can see, the graph exceeds on screen, so we need to adjust it in order to see the whole graph. So all we need to do is to press the window key, then change our x-min and x-max between -3 and 2. So let's just delete this one, and then change it to -3, then this 2, and change it to 2. And also our y-min and y-max between -10 and +20. And of course our y-SCO to 4. So let's press the graph. Voila! There you have it. You can now see the whole graph. And based on the graph, there are 3 spots that our shape perfectly crosses the x-axis. So we're going to have a calculator to find each zero. And by doing that, we have to hit the calculate menu. By pressing the second and the trace. So let's select the number 2, which is the 0, by pressing the arrow down key and enter. Or we can also directly press the number 2. Alright, now let us begin finding the zeros. So by moving the left and right arrow keys, we can see the blinking cursor here. So we have to move it anywhere on the left side of that 0 that we're trying to locate. Press enter. And we want to know the right bound. Just move only your cursor to on the right side of that 0 and press enter. And as what I have said, this is the 0 that we're trying to hunt down. So let's move our blinking cursor here at the 0. It doesn't matter if it has a decimal point as long as it is the closest to the 0. So press the enter. Alright, the calculator displays the location of that 0 and gives us the x and y coordinates, which is the x is equals to -2.466365 when y is equals to 0.
I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.